Hey, Robin Palmer here. Let me get straight to it. What if you could hijack buyer traffic to any affiliate link without creating content, without a website, and without spending a single cent? Sounds crazy. It's not. I've already used this exact method to generate multiple six figures in affiliate commissions, and I did it all by copying what's already working, using a method that takes just 8 minutes to set up. My very first test, 32,000 plus visitors. No ad spend, no videos, no email list. And now it's your turn. This is the Profit Cloner system, a breakthrough method that lets you legally hijack viral buyer traffic with zero content creation. I'm talking no videos to make, no tech skills needed, no budget required, works in every niche, works in every country, 100% beginner friendly. Nobody else is doing this because they don't know this even exists. Here's how it works. Someone scrolling through their feed, maybe late at night, looking for a solution. Instead of your face, your voice, or your awkward sales pitch, they see a perfectly structured, attention-grabbing traffic asset. They click, you get paid. That's it. This has already earned me over $100,000, and it still brings in free buyer clicks while I go about my day. Inside the Profit Cloner system, I'll show you how I find hot, high-converting offers, how I legally hijack viral content without creating anything, the exact steps I use to build traffic streams that work 24/7, where to place your links for maximum commissions, my domain embedding trick that quietly drives opt-in and sales. And when you get in today, I'm stacking it with 3 powerful bonuses. My global unlock hack, access restricted tools anywhere. My viral hijack pack, get the formats that brought me 32,000 plus visitors. The zero launch funnel blueprint, monetize hijack traffic instantly. Total value, $197 plus. Yours free when you grab the system today. Now, you're probably wondering, but Robin, do I need tech skills? Nope. The system was built for non-techies. Do I need money for tools? Not a cent. Everything runs on free tools. Do I have to be on camera? Never. This method works without you showing up at all. What if I've never done affiliate marketing? Perfect. I show you exactly what to promote and how to do it. Listen, this system works, not just for me, but for my students too. And now you can copy what's already proven for just $17.97. Seriously, it's a no-brainer. Let's talk the real cost here. Video coaching? Well, that's at least $500 per hour. Separate courses? Around $300 to $500. Trial and error? Well, that's months of frustration. But right now, you're getting the entire Profit Cloner system for just $17.97, backed by a 30-day guarantee. You either get buyer clicks or I'll refund every penny. No hoops, no questions. The only way to lose here is by doing nothing. So here's what to do now. Click the button below, go through our secure checkout, get instant access to the system and bonuses, launch your first asset, and let it work for you 24/7. Within hours, you could be live. By the weekend, you might already be seeing your first clicks. Final choice, keep scrolling, keep waiting, and keep hoping. Or say yes to a system that's already made 6 figures and just might change how you make money online forever. Don't miss this. Click the button below. Do it now and get started for $17.97. Let's clone what works together.